everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm bringing you a grocery haul from Kroger. I'm also going to include what I picked up at Walmart and go over my meal plan with you for the week. So I thought we would go through my dinner meal plan. Breakfast, I think I'm just going to do either an oatmeal bake. Well, I'm probably going to just go ahead and do an oatmeal bake because that one I also wanted to film for you. So I'll definitely do an oatmeal bake and get that up for you later this week. Also, I have my list here, so on my whiteboard. So we're gonna have turkey tenderloin, and a lot of the meat I had already had, so I really didn't have to buy a lot of meat. I just had to buy the stuff to go with it. So I have I think it's a rotisserie marinated turkey tenderloin, so I'm gonna throw that in the air fryer later this week. I think I filmed one of those before. If I did, I will I'll put it here so you'll see it and you can get to that next. I learned how to do that. I'm super excited about that. Also, I'm making a new recipe in the crock pot for chicken that I need to do for a collab, so I won't be showing you that one for a couple of weeks, but know that there's another one coming. I'm gonna do chicken fajita pasta. That one I will be filming for you, and I will be posting that one for you because of the fact that I made that once before. I totally should have just filmed it because it was absolutely amazing, but bonus, I get to make it again and eat it again for dinner this week, so excited about that. We're gonna have spaghetti and meatballs. My husband likes the meatballs. I typically don't eat them, but I do enjoy the pasta, so I know that's 2 pasta meals, but I'll make sure not to do those back to back. And then we're gonna have prime rib sliders, and those are really good too. So we'll be having those with roasted potatoes so that I can kind of offset the points of the extra bread there. So that's going to be our menu this week. That's 5 meals. That's typically all I try to plan. For lunches this week, I'll probably just do leftovers. I'm going to also make some extra chicken. So I do have some salad mix in there, so I'll have chicken salad, or I'll just have chicken with some type of veggies, or maybe I'll do a stir fry, do stir fry veggies with it. Lunches are usually pretty easy for me, and now that I have breakfast decided with the breakfast bake and having the backup of eggs, I think I'll be just fine. So that's going to be my menu. I'm going to jump in now and show you. Actually, I pick up my Kroger order in 45 minutes, so I'll show you what I got from there next, and then after that I will show you what I needed to go to Walmart just for a couple of quick things and found a really good deal, so stay tuned for that as well. Alright, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like today's video, leave me some comments below, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, just go ahead and hit that little subscribe button and the notification bell if you'd like to be notified of upcoming videos. So with that said, I am going to show you what I got at Kroger next. Okay, so from Kroger, I picked up some more of that hillbilly bread that is 1 slice for 2 points, 2 slices for 3 points. I needed some canned veggies, and we got some corn and some green beans, and my husband loves hominy, and if you're on the purple plan like I am, the purple plan, the hominy is 0 points on the purple plan. I also grabbed some grape tomatoes. I'll probably have these on my salads or just snack on them. Velveeta slices, 1 point per slice. I needed some fat-free cream cheese, just some for snacking and also some for a recipe, and that is 2 tablespoons for 1 point. My husband's chips for his lunch, 5 points per serving. I think it's a 1 ounce serving for that. I had already ordered the chicken in my Kroger order before I found that deal. Before I found a deal. I'm telling on myself, shh, pretend I didn't say that. I'll show you in my Walmart haul what I got. So anyhow, ground chicken, 4 points per, I think 4 ounces. 4 ounces, yes. So 4 points per 4 ounces for that. I also grabbed some chicken tenderloins and some chicken breast. And I am going to use those for a couple of new recipes too. I'm going to try them first before I film them, so stay tuned. You'll probably get some more Cook With Me's coming soon. I'm going to scrapbook weekend soon, so the girls requested that I make some Philly cheesesteak sandwiches because I've made those on my channel, and I'll either link them above or below in the comments so you can get to those and see how those are made. But so good. This beef shaved steak at Kroger is super good. Also needed the smoked provolone for that, so I just went ahead and picked that up while I was there, and I'm just going to go ahead and throw the steak in the freezer, throw the cheese in the fridge, and those will be ready for me to cook when we get to scrapbook weekend. I also needed pasta for pasta this week. some bananas. We were also running low on some Miracle Whip. I was thinking maybe tuna this week. I have a bunch of those packets of tuna, plus I also have a ton of canned tuna, so maybe I'll mix up some tuna sandwiches this week for lunch, or maybe even a tuna macaroni salad. Ooh, that sounds good too. All right, so Miracle Whip, 1.1 tablespoon for that. Also needed some eggs, so we got an 18 pack of eggs. Anytime I go to Kroger, I always pick up a couple more of the fajita seasoning, because this is the best stuff around. If you're looking for a good fajita seasoning, go to your local Kroger. I think Fred Meyer is the same as Kroger too. If you have either one in your area, they should have this fajita seasoning, but so good. And then I got my husband some hard salami just to change up his turkey sandwiches. I've got turkey in the fridge, but I thought I would give him something a little different. So I got some hard salami here, and this was 4 smart points per 4 slices. I won't be having this, but he really likes the hard salami. And I also needed some Lowry seasoning salt for the camper, and it was cool. They had these little bitty ones. So I'd actually ordered an 8-ounce one, but they were out of the 8-ounce, so they substituted 2 of the 4 ounces, so that works for me. All right, so up next, you're gonna see a couple of things that I picked up at Walmart, and here we go. Okay, so then we also went to Walmart. I needed to get some sheets. We wanted to get some twin sheets for my husband's truck, so when we're driving down the road with our dog in the back seat, it will help to kind of minimize the hair in the back of the truck, because if you have a dog, we just vacuumed the truck out today, and it was like, whew. So hopefully this will be the solution for that. And then I got a set of full-size sheets, because the couch breaks down into, the couch in the camper breaks down into a full-size bed, so I wanted to get an extra set of sheets for that as well. Also, I needed to get some Afterbite bug spray, some anti-itch cream. Bugs were kind of bad the time before last, and I got a couple of bug bites this last time, so I definitely want to have this on hand just in case, especially if the kids get bit or anything, so that we have this. And bonus, while we were there, chicken. They had chicken tenders, 3 pounds of them, on sale for $4. So I went ahead and picked up 2 bags of chicken tenders so that we would have those just to use whenever we need them. So score on that one. All right, so with that said, I'm going to sign off for today's video. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed my grocery haul and found some great ideas, or definitely I will film at least the chicken fajita pasta for you this week and post it. So stay tuned, that's coming. All right, so again, have a great day. We will see you next video.